order just came today, and we have these on the subscribe and save because we use them every single day. One of the easiest swaps that we ever made was switching to fragrance-free rinse aid. We've been using 7th generation brand for years, and let me tell you, we immediately notice whenever we don't have any rinse aid. Our dishes are noticeably more wet, so this really does work. We love that it's fragrance-free because for our family, we prefer to not use any scents, and so this works best for our family. I'm very sensitive to scents, so I feel really good that this is fragrance-free for our family. We love that 7th generation is committed to plant-based ingredients, and we've been using this brand for years. Whenever we don't use this, or if we happen to run out, we notice that our dishes have more water spots and are definitely not as dry. So that's why we did this on repeat, where we get 9 at a time, and we have 9 delivered every 5 months. We do run our dishwasher at least twice a day. The lid is really easy to use. Once you take off the safety seal, then all you do is just lift this little nozzle, pour, and that's really the only step. Just pour and then run your dishwasher as normal. So if you're looking for a great rinse aid and want fragrance-free, this truly is a great product. This is your proof right here that we have 9 of them because we don't want to run out of this. We truly love this product and highly recommend.